How to make Excel cells bigger. On a spreadsheet in Excel, by default, the cells are a uniform size. There may be situations where I need to increase the cell's size in order to display all the text. In this example, I have some countries displayed here. When I select this cell and expand the formula bar, I find that there is a lot more additional text in the cell that is not displayed. So I will need to make this cell bigger. So there are a number of ways of doing this. The first way is to select all the cells. I'm selecting the rows because I want to expand the rows. Then I position the cursor on the row line. You'll notice that the cursor has changed into a cross, and I drag this down. So this increases the size of the cells. If I want to increase the size of the column, I select the column. Again, the cursor changes into a cross and I move it to the right so that the size of the column is also increased. And I've made the cell bigger. Now, another way to do this is to again select all the rows, right click, and I will get an option called row height. In this window, I can modify the row, the number, so that the height of the row increases. Similarly, I can select the column, right click, and get the column width box where I can increase the size of the column. And now the column is bigger. Now the final option that we have is using the auto fit option. So for that, I first make the cell a little bigger, the column a little wider. Then I select the column, go to the format menu and select auto fit column width. So this makes adjust the column to the size of the text. To adjust the rows, I then go to format and say auto fit row height, and that makes the rows also bigger. So I have effectively made the cells bigger and now all the data is displayed. For further information, please read the appended article.